Windows comes pre-installed with a few applications. But if your Windows is missing these default apps, here's what you can try to do. First, reinstall the missing applications. So what you can try to do is to search the name of the application by name. Now if it is not listed, you might need to install it from the Microsoft Store. But if it appears and it does not work, open Installed Apps, locate the application, click More Options, uninstall it, then install it again via the Microsoft Store. Next, you can also run the Windows Store Applications Troubleshooter. You can just open your settings, click System, select Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooter, scroll down to Windows Store Application, then click Run. Now the troubleshooter will scan your system for any issues and then try to fix them automatically. As for your last fix, run the System File Checker and a DISM scan. To do that, open Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following command, then press Enter. Once finished, enter the following command, then press Enter again. Now after executing the following command, restart your computer and see if it fixes the problem. So that's how to bring back missing default application and programs on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.